So here's the thing. We started recording a video to document our experience staying at the Swan and Dolphin Resort at Disney World and tried to show what it was like having a deluxe experience on a more affordable side.
Very gaudy, but
I'm here for it.
we're here for
We're
it.
here for it. But we kind of just like the sound of ourselves talking, I guess, and so we just kind of started doing it without doing an intro.
I would never say cool.
You just
Cool
said it.
is such a simple word. I say interesting words like
Hot.
exciting, brilliant, stylish.
Okay, baby. This is to say Disney World is expensive, but you can have a premium experience at a moderate price. Here's our experience staying as such at the Swan and Dolphin Resort.
Here it is. Our very humble hotel room.
That's right, Bernardo. Here, let me show you what we're dealing with here. Come. So, this is a sink. It is where sinking happens. This is the bathroom. That's where showering and other stuff happens. Excuse me.
Stop dropping shit, please.
No, I'll never.
It's alright. It's pretty standard.
Yeah,
I
standard.
think.
It's good. I've done worse. I think the Caribbean beach one was not as nice, but it's a tub.
Yeah.
I prefer a shower, but I guess for families and stuff, it's better to have a tub.
I mean, and this can work as a shower.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
It's got a lot of space for that. You
So,
can,
You got closet space.
yeah, and you can iron your stuff
Mm-hmm.
if you're fancy
If
like
you
that.
choose to, we don't. They brew coffee for you automatically.
They do give you very odd numbers of coffee.
Okay.
For some reason.
Swan and Dolphin. Sheraton, is it, I think, who owns this?
Is it a Sheraton or is it Marriott?
I think they're both kind of the same company.
Oh, okay,
But
very sure.
when I ordered a thing for breakfast today, it was charged by Sheraton.
Okay.
Anyway, why 3 coffees? So there's been two of
Two
us here.
people.
2 people here.
3 coffees.
We came in here. I think Disney gave us like 6.
Yes, that was a good amount.
Yes, they gave us 3, and then we went downstairs, asked for more for the second day. They gave us another 3. Okay,
Yeah, I don't know.
and so we had to share the first one, and so now we have to share another one? Anyway, I digress. Here's our bedroom.
It's a bedroom. It's a decent sized bedroom. It's old, clearly, but it's well maintained. One of the annoyances is that like the lights are not on by switch. You need to actually turn on each one of the lights, and that one is very annoying. It's one of those little knobs that you have to turn on directly under the lamp there, the shade. And of course, we paid. Oh, should we say how much we paid?
I don't know, you tell me. I don't know.
Well, we paid like $200 a night. So as you can see, we have a very romantic view to the car park and the trash cans.
Car park, so British.
Yeah.
They're
Wow.
washing it down there. There was some slop down there yesterday, so they're like, we can't have our paying customers view that.
But of course, if you're in the business of staying in a deluxe resort for cheap,
I guess we can't complain too much. We got to do Epcot last night with like
yeah,
no crowds
extended hours,
for 2 hours.
and this nice aircon, and
Yeah.
yeah, in general, it's fine.
It's very cozy. It's not like luxurious, but it's very comfortable.
There's always the power of Christ to compel you.
Not for me.
And yeah, some good space. There's a fridge. If you were to bring your own stuff.
More of a chiller than a fridge.
Yeah, a mini. And yeah, the TV is busted. The internet is kind of busted. I would say that maybe your very own mobile Wi-Fi is probably more worth having than the internet here. It's very unreliable. It seems
Probably.
good.
Uh-huh.
But it seems also that if you are a premium Sheraton or Marriott member,
Yeah.
you get better internet. I don't even know how that works.
Yeah, I don't know how that works either. We'll find out maybe. But I will say this, the location is fantastic overall.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And so I do think if you want the Deluxe Resorts benefits, and you want access to like Yacht and Beach Club and the Boardwalk,
Boardwalk, yeah.
the Boardwalk,
Boardwalk?
Resort, the Boardwalk. the Boardwalk Resort stuff, which is so super cute, super cool. I really want to explore it more. This is the cheaper way to do all that and have all those extended evening hour perks and stuff.
Yeah.
And so in that way, it's pretty solid.
Yeah. No, that definitely is a plus. One thing that you should consider is also there is chargers and plugs in all of these little lamps, but they're not very modern. So the USB doesn't give a lot of power, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's fine. Yes.
Yeah, I like it. I don't love it, but I do think if you want to do a lot of like all the deluxe Disney stuff on a budget, it's pretty good for that. Yeah.
Definitely. And yeah, there might be things that we don't actually know. If you're interested in maybe doing more spa, pool, and
Oh sure, yeah. We don't go bougie like that.
but also, I mean, they're available. There's a lot of stuff available for free included in your ticket. So
elevator is spooky fast.
yes, that's kind of crazy.
Yeah, you blink and then you're already on the 5th floor. I was like, what?
Yeah, but there's a lot of accommodations and features for rent for
use.
For use, but we
I don't know if there's a gym. I'm sure it feels like
there is a gym. There's actually apparently there's instructor-led gym.
Wow.
24. No, not 24/7, but every day.
Yeah, daily.
And so
a lot of business people here. So I imagine a lot of people stay here for conferences or stuff, and then
it might be worth doing for that.
Yeah.
And again, if you are for a deluxe resort and you want to go to the resort to the parks, it's probably worth it.
Yeah, I'm happy with it, but I'm not obsessed with it.
Yeah, of course. I think that in the same hotel, there must be much classier, much nicer places.
Yeah, I'm sure the Grand Floridian.
And even right here, there probably are better rooms and better.
Oh sure, yeah. If we had on the other side or like the higher, concierge and stuff.
And the reserve, what's it called?
The Swan Reserve. Sure. We almost did that.
And we are now out
for dinner
to get some dinner. So stay posted.
Narcoossees.
Narcoossees. Narcoosie. Jacuzzi.